Hi, this is meteorologist Steve Pelletieri, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on this Saturday, 4th day of January 2025, a special 4 p.m. update on the storm that's affected or is going to be affecting much of the Ohio Valley, Tennessee Valley, and the mid-Atlantic states. Now, it looks like most of the heavier snowfall from this storm, and these are totals that you're going to have by Monday evening, probably starting sometime during the pre-dawn hours on Monday and then ending on Monday evening. Say for D.C., looking at the possibility of up to 8 to 10 inches of snow. Atlantic City at around 5 inches. Philadelphia also between 3 and 5 inches. As you go further north up in New York City, maybe a coating to an inch. So nothing much there up in the Boston area. Actually basically dry from this one, as the storm will be moving offshore. But it's the maximum area that we're seeing is across the northern panhandle of West Virginia and southwestern Pennsylvania, like around Pittsburgh, where there might be between 6 and 8 inches of snowfall, and much of central and southern Ohio. Those places, the snowfall amounts will range between about 10 and 15 inches. Similar situations across central Indiana as well. But the places where the snow will be and not be, that line goes right along Route 80 that extends from Pennsylvania right in through Ohio and then eventually up to the Chicago area. North of there, very light amounts. South of there, the heaviest, probably somewhere around central Indiana, right through central Ohio, southwestern Pennsylvania, and then over the D.C. and Baltimore area where they will be getting lots of snow. Somewhere between, let's say, 7 and 12 inches of snow. Now, south of that, you're going to have icy conditions. Icy weather is expected with maybe an inch or two of snow, then over to ice in Kentucky, southern West Virginia, and also around some icy conditions in Nashville and portions of northern Tennessee and western and northwestern sections of North Carolina and the Shenandoah of Virginia. In those places, there will be ice, but there will also be a little bit of snow as well as the storm quickly moves offshore. By Tuesday, high pressure is going to build into the region. It looks like very good conditions. West Coast is basically going to be with some snow, mostly in the eastern mountains of eastern mountains of Oregon, and southern portions of Idaho and western Montana. That's another storm. And then they are looking for the possibility of another storm, maybe in the mid-Atlantic and northeastern states sometime next weekend. Say sometime around even the 11th or 12th of the month of January. We'll be watching for that and updating you here on the Weatherman Pod as the week continues. So weather for the Northeast corridor, just basically clouds for this evening from D.C. up to the Boston area. More cloud cover than not down in D.C., and they will have some snow starting sometime on Sunday evening, but highs tomorrow will range into the mid-30s, nighttime lows upper 20s with the snow. And then on Monday, snow in D.C. ends, and some snow in central and southern New Jersey ends. We get into a clearing trend Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, fair and cold. The rest of the nation looking pretty good down in Atlanta. South Florida is looking good. Much of Texas, central and southern California, no problems there. The Chicago area will have some snow during the latter portion of Sunday and into Monday, but then we get into a clearing trend of windy and cold weather there. That'll last for a good balance of the week. I'm Steve Pelletieri, and I am the Weatherman. We'll have an update next time, sometime right around midnight tonight, and that'll carry in through the early going tomorrow. Another update around the middle afternoon on Sunday. I'm Steve Pelletieri. Have a great day. Talk to you first thing tomorrow.